Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome to my channel. I got a surprise from Boxycharm. Not exactly really, I knew it was coming. I've had it a little bit, I just haven't had time to open it. In a recent sale, they have a sale every month and every quarter they have the Mega Drop Shop. Their monthly sale is the Drop Shop and I don't really remember what it was. I think it was a Mega Drop Shop that I had a question for them. I was waiting for something to come on sale because they have daily deals. And the day that it was supposed to come up, it didn't come up. And you know, my time zone is different than California, so I waited and it never came up. So I asked them, hey, what happened to this special? Because it was a good deal. And they answered me back. And I'm very nice. And I didn't cause any trouble and I didn't fight like with them or anything by any means. And sometimes you just get someone that's really is great and they sent me a $25 voucher or whatever you call it. So I was like, wow. So I looked in, the sale was over, that sale was over, and then it was the next month's time for the next month's sale. And I used it then, and they had the Natasha Denona palette, the Zendo palette, which I've been eyeing for a long time. I'm not sure that it's necessarily my cup of tea, but it's Natasha Denona. Look at how, it was in an outer box. This is how nicely it was packaged in here. Look how nice that's packaged. But this palette was $29 on Boxycharm sale. And I have the $25 off, so I paid $4. Now I did have to pay that $1.99, that they're charging. So this is the palette, Natasha Denona Zendo palette. It's been around a little while. It is $65 on Natasha Denona's website. It is $69 on Sephora. So $4, well, plus $2, $6. I paid $6 for this basically. So I'm excited. I have seen it in a few, I've seen people use it. It's like I said, you don't really find the most brand new thing on Boxy sale. So I'm just excited about it. It's beautiful. Let's see. All right, this is what it's, look at how, oh, you can see my lights above. It's all like a mirror. And then the back, see how the back is, you can pop these out and put them in any way you'd like to put them if you want to change up the color story. Let's open it and see. It has a very nice magnet closure. It has a mirror, a beautiful mirror on one side. And all right, see now the grate or whatever you want to call it has the names. So I'm not going to move them. But if you wanted to, you could pop them out and move them. Or, if you want to replace one, or who knows. But it's nice if you want to put them in your own Z palette. I prefer to keep them in this palette. This is a very nice palette. It's beautiful to look at, and it has a nice weight to it. I like the weight to it. So this is it. Like I said, not necessarily my favorite color story, but to get it so reasonably, anything else that was on the sale, I could have gotten anything with that money, but I decided let me treat myself with something that is really exceptional and really, high class. And Natasha Denona is it. So let's swatch. All right, so these, let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8. There probably says there's 8 shimmers. I like, all right, there's mattes. Oh, there's a duochrome in here. It says there's matte eyeshadows. Apply with fluffy eyeshadow blush. Okay, it tells you how to use it. Metallic duochrome chroma crystal eyeshadows. All right. Oh, blue. Okay, blue. You can come on through, but sit down, lovey. Okay. I don't know which is which. Now, people that really know about these things, they will know which is which, and I don't. I just know that some of these are shimmers and some of them are mattes, and some of them look a little different than a shimmer or a matte. So I have my Refreshments wipes here, and blue is going to sit with us. So let's swatch. Let's see. All right. I'll just do the best I can to, oh, that's pretty. See, like these oranges, I'm not really an orange person. This is Mindful. Okay, you have to stop moving. This is Aura, and this is Sense. Like, you know, sense of smell, you know, whatever, like that. I don't know if he's gonna behave. Let's put them here. Oh, see, that's why I got this palette. That's why I got it, because it's Natasha Denona, and her shadows are really fabulous. Okay, let me, Blue, you want me to color you? I think I got some on him, so we'll see how he looks. Okay, let me wipe that off. And then we have, let me see, I'll use the different fingers. Luster, okay. Okay, the Luster and Vigor and Tranquil. See how beautifully they swatch? Now those are beautiful colors. I'm not so much into corals and oranges, but I can use them to some extent. You know, I would definitely use them to some extent. I didn't clean off my, all right, little finger. All right, now these next three, let's see. Oops, the train is coming by as usual. Okay. This is called Balance. Got fur on me. This is called Relief. And now this Calm, this is a matte, but it's not as smooth as the other mattes. But it still looks like a matte to me, so I'll put them right here. Okay, all right, you cannot walk on the palette, love. Well, go on through if you want to, but don't walk on the palette. Sorry, y'all. I know y'all don't mind seeing them, but whenever you need to do, you know, have a little privacy, you can't have it around here, okay? Let me fix this a little bit. Okay, so those are the 9 that really go, let me show you. They're these 3 rows here. And then we have some cooler tones come in. So, you know, I have seen some beautiful looks made with this palette. So, let's see. Oh, this is, I like the cooler tones better in here because it's more my cup of tea. But I would definitely use these to some extent. This is called Flow. This is Equilibrium. Oh, is that stunning. And this one is Yama. And that is a shimmer. I'm going to put them up here. Wow. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. If there's a duochrome in here, I don't know that I've seen it. Maybe that's Sense, which is this one here. See, it doesn't really look like it there, and it might not have one. I don't know. Okay, and then we have, oh, this is gorgeous too. These aren't necessarily my colors either, but I'll use them. Mantra. I do use green once in a while. This is Breath, and this is Zeal. So, but what I've seen where people put these together, they're just, you know, you can make quite a bunch of nice looks on there. See, that's very, very light. So that is my Zendo palette, and that is beautiful. It is beautiful, and I will definitely use it. I'm just excited to get it because it is Natasha Denona, and it's a $65 palette on her site. So isn't that pretty? So if y'all, you know, if it's something that you really love, now I haven't seen it. Their sale just recently ended for February, and I didn't see it in there anymore. Doesn't mean they won't have it again, but if it's something that you're looking for, or that you know, it's on your wish list, you know, they do allow other people to shop from them. Now, Boxycharm does. It's so worth it to spend $29 as opposed to buying it full price, $65. But you know, if you have Sephora and you have, you know, points from shopping and things like that, you can get it at a discount too. But I say, when it comes to something fabulous, anytime you can get a discount, yay. you know. So anyway, all right, y'all. So that is the beautiful Zendo palette from Natasha Denona. So thank you for stopping by and seeing this. And oh, isn't that pretty, y'all? You can see everything in my background. So you can't really see how beautiful it is. I'll try to take a picture of it and put it on Instagram if I can, you know, get some of the glare out of it, okay? Thank y'all for stopping by and count your blessings. Bye-bye.